My current role, I'm in charge for Daimler Trucks Asia's quality management worldwide. Overall, our trucks are running in around 150 markets from our plant here in Japan, where we have the brand of Mitsubishi Fuso, as well from our plant in India, where we have Bharat-Benz and the new Fuso brand.
I'm the CIO of Daimler Trucks Asia, and we are in the manufacturing business, so we are a very traditional industry. I need to be one of the disruptor in this company. I need to challenge the people to think about new business models, and I need to tell them how they can achieve this with technology. The goal for us is basically to transform Daimler Trucks Asia into some kind of a data-driven organization to lead the commercial vehicle industry into the future.
This whole program of proactive sensing was to bring Daimler Trucks Asia decision-making into the insight-driven decision-making world and be predictive so that Daimler Trucks Asia could respond proactively. These trucks are out on the road, thousands and thousands of them. And when they have quality defects, it all reflects back on the brand.
We started with a proactive sensing to identify potential risk which can lead to a safety incident. We named it proactive sensing because we want to detect the failure before it occurs.
Daimler Trucks Asia recognized early on that the current quality management process they had, all the way from identifying issues that they were getting from field reports, service records, etc., and the time to identify that issue, investigate it, and do the resolution was taking close to 2 years at times. And they wanted to speed that up.
We met the Deloitte team, and I was really impressed. I could feel really the fire was burning in them.
There was a lot of data, but the data was sitting in pockets. The data was isolated from each other. The data was not in the best form from a usage standpoint.
To go through that data and very quickly identify where issues could be and do it with an urgency is a challenge because these could lead to very serious safety issues. We were able to help them apply our techniques and scientific skills in identifying these issues faster using algorithms.
I said, wow. This proves to me they are looking beyond. They exceeded my expectations. Currently, with our calculation models that we are having, with the quality alerts which are generated out of the proactive sensing, we are already 11 months faster to detect a quality issue. Roughly savings of warranty costs per year, easily $8 million. And the next step to further improve proactive sensing is the connected trucks. With the connected trucks, we have real-time data.
And that's where we drove and evolved from going from just pure insights to smart insights.
And that's why we are so happy with the outcome, but it's not the end. And also the collaboration with Deloitte is not at the end.
Deloitte was basically bringing to the table the new view on topics, how we can make things better and different, to be basically the leader in the industry on these topics.
We need to be a step ahead, and this can be only if you are innovative. And this innovation will give us a head start, but this will not last long. If we start resting, immediately we will be caught by others. But really by collaboration, by motivation, by really leading the people, not only managing, then you can really achieve something big.